You're watching Studio Brush Pen, the drawing channel 40,000 leagues under the sea. Sometimes it's difficult to draw clothes that look natural, so let's talk about an approach that will work no matter your style of drawing. This video is not going to teach you how to draw any particular clothing, but rather something to keep in mind when you do. It's as easy as remembering weight and form. The form of clothing on the body is affected by the weight of the fabric, and different items of clothing might be made of different materials. Obviously, light silk will sit differently to stiff leather, so let's keep it simple. Where is the weight, and how does it affect the form? Clothing is both on the body and wrapped around it. A garment flattens where it sits on top, such as the shoulders, and hangs as it passes below, so you can imagine the weight of the fabric being in tension with those two factors. Additional tension points are created where clothing is held in place by belts, buttons, and so on. These areas also create the folds in the material. Again, think about weight and form. The weight of clothing is distributed differently for garments that are open or closed, still or in motion. Think about different fabrics weighing different amounts. How can you compare and contrast? Even if you draw in the simplest cartoony style, paying attention to this will give your costumes a sense of reality. Small details such as folds overlapping or the way a layer curves around the body will do wonders for your drawing. One way of learning this might be to copy clothing details from your favorite artists. Take inspiration from comics and animation you enjoy, especially creators that draw real clothes. But maybe not superheroes, whose costumes are often just a human body with lines drawn on top. And of course, observe clothing in your everyday life and sketch it if you can. Good luck! You're watching Studio Brush Pen.